Hi friends, today, welcome to science class. It is so nice out. I hope that you guys are outside and playing. Today we're going to do a really fun activity. It's how to make sidewalk chalk to paint with. And it's very easy. It only takes 3 ingredients that you might have at home. So here's an idea for you. It takes cornstarch, just plain water. We're going to use equal parts of those. And then we're going to use food coloring to make it paint. And we're going to use a brush to paint it on the sidewalk. So that's all the ingredients you need if you want to try this at home with your families. And I'm going to take just a minute. So my first step, I'm going to do equal parts cornstarch and water. So it doesn't matter what measurement. I just found a quarter cup scoop. Whatever you use, you just want the same amount. And I used a muffin tin because it's a good way to separate the colors. It makes it really easy for my paint palette. Now I'm going to pour in the same amount of water. These are equal parts that I poured in of my cornstarch. This is the base of our paint before we add our colors. I'm going to mix these up and then I'll show you. Okay, so I got them all mixed up, and one thing I learned, I think it would have been easier if I had just done it all together in a bowl or a big glass before I poured it, maybe with a whisk. So that's one of the things you learn by experiment. You learn what things work and what you want to do different on your next try. That is learning, children. Okay, I need colors because right now it's just white. So I'm going to do some blue in one of them. I'm going to put quite a bit in. I'm not sure how much it takes. Let's see. And I'm going to put green in one of them. Love green. I love how much green we're seeing as everything's starting to bloom and we get all the signs of spring. It's wonderful. And red. I love red. Let's put some red in our last one. So now I've made, of course, the more color that we put in, the more dye, the pigment, we're going to have more vibrant and brighter colors. I'm going to pour some water in here so I can rinse my brush out in between. I'm going to stir up my red. I'll show you what it looks like. We're going to see what happens when we put it on the driveway. Here's, it's fun painting on the driveway. I'm going to try to make a circle. Okay, here's what I painted with my sidewalk chalk paint. I've got a red circle, a green rectangle, and a blue triangle. And I have all this paint left in my palette, and I figured I could save it for sure. I could put it in an airtight container, but I'd like to see what happens if I just pour it all out and mix it together. So I'm going to pour it all out and just have fun with it with my paintbrush. Now I'm just going to swirl the colors around and have fun. That's what we call process art. That's how we learn about it. Just experiment with different materials and look how beautiful that is. And I know that this is going to dry just like my shapes did and be beautiful. I hope that you're outside and you're having fun experimenting and playing with your families. Have a wonderful week.